What if the skills you spent years learning are already obsolete? You are risking months of effort on abilities companies quietly stopped paying for. The replacement skills look similar on the surface but behave completely differently underneath. Most people are still learning prompts like it is 2023 again. You open a chatbot, type a clever instruction, tweak wording, and hope for better output. That workflow feels productive, but it is already fading fast. Companies are no longer hiring for prompt writing as a standalone skill because models now self-correct and optimize instructions internally. The ordinary world is this illusion of control, where wording feels like leverage. In reality, the leverage is moving somewhere else entirely. And if you keep refining prompts instead of systems, you are building on sand. But the shift is not where you think it is. The moment everything changes is when you realize prompts are becoming invisible. Modern tools now generate, refine, and chain prompts automatically inside workflows, which means the real skill is designing outcomes, not sentences. Instead of asking what to type, high performers ask what system should exist. This is the call to adventure. Prompt engineering is being replaced by workflow orchestration. Platforms already let you connect models, data, and actions without manual prompting. The people winning are not better writers, they are better architects. And once you see that, another layer opens up. One freelance marketplace trend made this brutally clear last year. Listings for prompt engineers dropped while roles asking for automation builders and AI integrators rose sharply. A simple case. A small e-commerce brand replaced a human prompt writer with a pipeline that generates product descriptions, images, and ads in one flow. The output improved, costs dropped, and speed tripled. That is not a theory, it is already happening. The trial here teaches one lesson: isolated skills lose, connected systems win. And the next dying skill is even more surprising. Manual data labeling is quietly disappearing faster than most expect. You used to train models by labeling thousands of examples by hand, but synthetic data and self-training loops are replacing that grind. Instead of labeling data, the new skill is validating and shaping datasets at a higher level. Practically, this means you stop acting like a data entry worker and start acting like a data strategist. You define what good data looks like, not fill it in manually. That shift alone can multiply your value instantly. But there is a deeper obstacle most people hit next. The biggest trap is thinking tools will save you without understanding context. Many people jump into automation but build fragile systems that break under real use. The abyss here is complexity. You connect 5 tools, it works once, then fails silently at scale. The people who break through learn evaluation, monitoring, and iteration loops. They treat AI systems like products, not hacks. This is where most quit because it feels technical, but this is also where the leverage explodes. And what comes after this completely changes how you work. The transformation is moving from doing tasks to directing intelligence. The new reality is not using AI tools, it is managing AI as a workforce. Skills like prompt writing, manual labeling, and basic scripting are replaced by system design, evaluation thinking, and outcome ownership. People who master this operate at 10 times output with the same time. They are not faster, they are multiplied. And the ones who adapt early are already pulling ahead in ways most cannot see yet. But the final shift is the one almost nobody is ready for. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay ahead while everyone else falls behind.